In front of me is XIAOMI 11T Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can find all device specifications on this device. First of all, go into Play Store, click on the search bar and type DevCheck. Then install this free app from this developer and just open it. From this app you can find out all the information about your XIAOMI's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera and even sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!